Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into Google with the account you'll use for classes. This gives access to Classroom and Meet. Once signed in, create a class immediately, name it, add a section and subject so it's searchable. Make sure to set the correct time zone. Next, invite students by copying the class code or sending email invites so enrollment is fast. These steps get your course structure live and let you schedule Meet sessions tied to that class for seamless attendance tracking and resource sharing. Once your class exists, organize your content using topics to group units and materials so students find resources quickly. Create assignments with rubrics and attach Google Docs or slides. Classroom will auto-save and distribute copies. For live sessions, schedule a Google Meet from Classroom or Calendar and attach the link to the relevant assignment or announcement. Make sure to add co-teachers and adjust student posting and grading permissions so roles and expectations are clear before the session starts. To finish, start your Meet from Classroom and admit students from the waiting room. Use recording, captions, and pin or spotlight speakers to focus the session. After the lesson, grade assignments in Classroom, return work with private comments, and reuse or schedule follow-up assignments. If things go wrong, first check simple fixes, microphone and camera permissions, browser tabs, and internet connection. Then verify Classroom/Meet service status and re-invite attendees, or share the meeting link via email as a backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.